Welcome to the PharmaVOICE Editors Take video series, filmed live at the 2011 DIA annual meeting in Chicago. Hosted by Taryn Grome, editor of PharmaVOICE. In this session, Taryn meets with Jim Haughwout, VP, Commercialization and Operations, Cmed.
Hi, Jim. Given the integral role that mobile devices have played in other areas of healthcare and life sciences, clinical trials seem a natural extension for this type of technology. How do you see mobile devices reshaping clinical trials in the future?
That's a great question. The iPad is definitely a device that people love to use and they enjoy to use. So what we have done as a company is we've recognized that that's a vehicle that will make it easier for doctors to capture data, to access training and the like. So what we've done is two things with the iPads. One, we've provided it as a way for doctors and nurses to capture data on clinical trials so they can walk around clinics and not have to go back to their desk. We also give them just-in-time training. We use iTunes for training videos and the book reader so they can have training information immediately at their disposal. Monitors can also use the iPad either on the road or when they come right into the clinic and perform SDV right on site.
That's great. Now, how are mobile devices making the physician's life easier? Are you encountering any resistance from this key stakeholder group?
What we're finding is, I've read one recent survey that over 50% of doctors either have an iPad or are planning to buy one in the next 6 months. What we're actually finding, as opposed to being nervous about the iPad, it seems to have jumped the barrier. Years ago, people were looking at different types of tablets with keyboards and flip screens. The iPad seems to be one that is convenient and easy. They can turn it on and turn it off. So we're actually getting more of an ask of, can I use an iPad? Can I use my iPad for that? And what we do is have a solution called Cmed Hotspot that we can provide an iPad with all of the training, or a physician can bring their own iPad from home, have a completely secure experience, and basically use what's best for them.
Finally, James, how is Cmed using technology to improve the startup time of clinical trials?
That's a great question as well. We're previewing at DIA this week a new technology called Cmed Guided Trial Builder, which makes it very simple for the non-technical person to go from basically protocol approval to go live in the span of either hours or days. And basically it allows that non-technical person to rapidly take a protocol, build out a trial, taking the best practices of their most technical experts without technical knowledge, without technical training, validating the trial as they go along, and then saving a lot of the back and forth between technical and non-technical people, so reducing work at the end. And basically we're debuting the ability to do that. We're actually doing that in 5 and 10 minute demos of building out trials for people.
Additional Editors Take videos, as well as podcasts, white papers, webinars, and more are available in the resources area at www.pharmavoice.com.